It's a really pretty day today, and they have lots of peanuts already. So they're probably not going to come say hello. We just thought we'd come out and see what's going on. We got a little one up there, bigger baby down here, some of them over there. And I've been hearing a lot more chewing coming from up there where I can't see. But here's a cutie. And their water. They have clean fresh water today. Coming down, and then we've got guys over there. They get to pick through all the peanuts. Oh, who's up there? The little bitty birds. Lots of little finches have been around eating, sitting up in the trees. Sometimes it's almost like rain. The little lots and bobs that they're knocking down. Oh, someone's silly. What are you doing? Having squirrel food. I don't see any of the other guys. Oh, there's somebody coming over. Hi, precious. We'll go come down and say hi. Hi, buddy. I love watching him up there. Oh, snack, snack, snack. Looking careful. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, through the trees. If you please. Oh, there's our climber. They have a highway through here, really, on all the trees. They can go just about anywhere. How about Bubba? Bubba? Oh, someone's coming over here and over on the path. Let's see, who's here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see at least 5 squirrels. See 2, 3, 1 there, and over on the path. Oh, here we come. There's a little guy down there too. That might be one of our juveniles. Hi, buddy. Did you come to say hello? Oh, hi, sweetness. Here, dude. You getting all ready for winter? Oh, you want something different? That one wasn't good enough? Here you go, buddy. Clicky, clicky. That's you're my sweetie boy, huh? Look at all the fur you've got. Nice and warm. None of them are good enough. That one might be. Oh, picky boy. There's a little finch up there. Okay, come here. You big picky baby. Here's my click boy. Oh, and there goes somebody else running along behind. Oh, we found one we like. Who's there? Oh, woodpeckers. They're bug eaters. He's going to bury that. Like they're not going to be fed all winter. There's a reason they're as pudgy as they are already. Oh, stamp, stamp, stamp. Stamp, 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 stamp. I'm surprised we have any grass left and it's not all just peanuts. Oh, stamp, stamp, stamp. Berry, berry, berry. Oh, the berrying is the cutest part. And there you're going to scamper up the tree and in around crazy pants. My buddy's going to come over and check and see what I've got. Oh, somebody's lost their marbles over there. Hey, buddy. Oh, at the bottom of that tree over there, somebody's being a nut job. Screwy squirrel. Oh, Clicky being picky. Little one running up and down that tree over there. Oh, hi, buddy. Where are you going, Clicky? It's not a safe place to be, little guy. Oh, nom nom nom. All right. Well, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.